Hello everyone, this is Marga from Marga Diaries, and today we're gonna do another baby wipes review. Yes, ito, binili ko to because sobrang mura lang niya, and I really wanted to review this because I've been hearing, actually, I've not been here. I've been seeing a lot of ads about this. Literal, ang dami ko nakikita even in Facebook. I don't know if it's paid ad kasi mapapansin ko naman kung paid ad siya eh. Pero okay. This is, sorry, ginamit kasi dapat kanina. So, this is Tender Love Cleansing Wipes. Yes, Tender Love Cleansing Wipes. Nothing fancy. It's plastic. Tapos, ganon. Sobrang dami kong binili nito. I'll show you kung magkano. I'll show you here sa screen kung magkano. And, actually, very, very easy review lang to. I actually like it in a sense that marami kasi siya. Saka mura lang siya. Parang kung you paid for, what you see is what you get. Kung magkano yung binayad mo, yun din yung makukuha mo. So, anyways, we're just gonna read the ingredients. It's aqua, propylene glycol, pinasol, aloe, leaf juice, aloe extract, benzoate acid, ganyan, sodium citrate, perfume. So, this one has perfume in it. Tapos, it's from Unicare Hygienic Products Incorporated. So, okay, this one is the aloe cleansing wipes. This is 80 wipes, aloe vera, 80 pulls po itong isang to. So, I'm not gonna lie, like I said, you pay for this because it's really mura. So, kukuha tayo ng wipe. Actually, when you get one wipe, ang daming sasama. Ayan o, may sasama talaga siya. Ganon tong klaseng wipe na to. So, ay, dalawa pa pala to. Diba? So, I'm gonna show you. It's so small. Ganyan lang siya. Sobrang nipis lang niya. Sobrang nipis niya. Like I said, what you see is what you get. Tapos, meron silang mga bundles. I'll show you also. May mga bundles din tong Tender Love. Tender Care. Powder yun, diba? Powder yun, diba? I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below. Powder yun, diba? Powder ba yun? Alam ko powder ba? Anyways, so, ayun, Tender Love, okay? Sobrang liit niya, okay? So, ito, it's really wet naman. Ito, tignan na. Yeah. It's really wet naman. Ay, bakit hindi wet yung nakuha ko? Kasi talagang wet to eh. Maybe, ewan ko. Anyways, if I use this, hindi lang isa. Lagi ako nakakapul ng, katulad kanina, nakapul ako ng dalawa. So, ganun siya, sumasama siya. Because it's really packed. Saka sobrang mura lang kasi talaga na. That's why it's super nipis. So, I'm gonna show you a tear test. Makikita nyo magte-tear talaga to. Kasi ganun siya kanipis eh. Ayan o, magte-tear siya o. See? Ganun siya kanipis. I'm not saying na don't buy this or whatever. Actually, I'm really gonna repurchase this. Kasi kung mura lang talaga or if you're on a budget, mga ganyan. This one is okay for Alaric's face in a way because hindi siya sticky. Saka hindi naglilinger yung amoy niya. Not unlike dun sa what's the name of that again? Sa Nursey, yun kasi naglilinger. This one, hindi naman. Saka maganda naman siya. Hindi siya nagda-dry up. So, ayun. Very, very easy review lang. I'm gonna rate this as a 3. Oo, medyo pasado pa rin. Medyo, ganun pa rin siya sa akin. Medyo pasado siya in a way kasi it's really cheap. Saka parang bakit lagi siyang nasa ads? I'm gonna show you na lang kung meron akong mahanap na ads kasi lagi ko siya nakikita. And I purchased this. I think, like, 10 packs yata for a certain amount, parang ganon. Okay naman siya sa amin. I mainly use it for cleaning, lalo na pag kumakain kami sa hands ni Alaric, sa floor, lalo na pag may nauhulog na pagkain, sa face niya, mga ganyan. Sa toys, not so much because it's sobrang nipis. What I use for my toys is Sundungi disinfectant wipes. So, pag nag-play kami with the toys, yung mga blocks ni Alaric, dinidisinfect ko muna. So, yun yung ginagamit ko. Itong wipes na to, wala ka na masyadong, what you see is what you get. Like I said, what you see is what you get. It's okay for me, for if you're on a budget, tapos okay naman. Ang dami nitong variants eh. Alam ko marami silang variants. Ewan ko kung pinili ko ba to. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero I'm gonna check. I-flash ko na lang din dito kung ganon. Hindi ko sure kung ako yung namili nito or sila yung nagbigay sa akin. But this is from Unicare. And, ayan. Enriched with vitamin E for moisture-rich feel. Ideal for instant clean up with the face and the hand. Mildly scented for fresh and cleansing experience. alcohol-free formulation. Tapos, expiration date 2023 pa siya. So, all in all, okay naman siya sa akin. Rate ko siya ng 3. Very, very easy lang. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ko to binili. Sa totoo lang, I think, bumili kami because I'm gonna review the diapers of Unicare. Kasi I've read a lot of good reviews din sa Unicare diapers. So, bumili ako ng pants nila. So, siguro mas mag-google na lang ako ng time dito. Hindi pa kami nakaubos na ba? Meron kaming wipes na ganito sa taas, sa room, meron sa kabila, saka sa kitchen. Yun pa lang. So, parang sobrang dami na naming wipes. Actually, buong August, ang dami ko biniling wipes. Kaya sabi ng sister ko, wag ka na muna bibili. I-review mo na lang muna. Which is what I am doing right now. And I really appreciate, guys, na nagko-comment kayo, mga ganyan. So, yung mga comments sa akin na kung mag-review ako ng Goon wipes, mga ganyan. Let's see. Kasi sobrang daming jam-pack yung mga gamit namin dito sa bahay. As you can see, yung likod ko sobrang gulo, ganyan. Kasi ang dami ko pang kailangan i-review, ganyan. So, ganito pala talaga ang buhay ng isang content creator, mga ganyan. Nagigets ko na yung chaos na sinasabi nila na kailangan mo ng sort of a break in a way. But you know, I'm really thankful kasi kahit papano ako, may trabaho ako kahit pandemic, diba? Everything has to be looked at in a silver lining, in a gray sense, parang mga ganyan. Also, I just wanna say, condolence to, I know hindi nila mapapanood to or whoever, condolence to the family of Lloyd Cadena. Alam nyo, last night I watched mga 3 vlogs niya with Michelle D, and I see the love, I see the friendship, and I see how people love and adore Lloyd Cadena. And I only wish that for my platform anytime soon. Sana maging ganun din yung, maging escape nyo din yung platform ko, like what's happening with Michelle, what's happening with him. I love the content person. Though I know for myself na hindi ako funny, na medyo si Lloyd kasi on the funnier side. I know for myself na hindi ako funny, but ayun, condolence to the fam. Alam mo, sayangin. There were no reasons yet na sinasabi kung ano yung cause of death niya. But I'm grieving for the family, especially the mom, because I saw also one video of them touring the new house. Alam mo yun, I wish I could have done that for my mom and dad. Pero alam mo yun, siguro right now, my only goal in life is to have that kind of energy to give off to you guys, my audience. So, ayun guys. I like Tender Love in a way. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nakapasa pa rin siya sa standards ko. Sabihin na lang nating 3 siya. Parang nasa gitna pa rin siya kahit na manipis siya because it's really, really cheap. Buti sana kung mahal yan. Kung mahal yan, tapos ganyan yung quality niya. Naku, baka na-rate ko yan ng 1. Parang gano'n. Huwag yun nabilhin. Hindi siya mom-approve. Ako, mom-approve pa rin siya kasi what you see is what you get talaga. I swear. So, ayun. This video is not really a review. Is it a review? Anyways, is it a review? Yes, it is still a review. I still am using it. You can see it in my stories. Nakikita nyo naman yung ginagawa ko. I'm trying to vlog. Awa ng Diyos. Nagagawan ko ng paraan. I'm trying to vlog because a lot of you, especially my Marga babies in Shopee, are telling me na mag-try daw ako mag-explore to vlogging. Yung parang day-to-day ko, mga ganyan. A while ago, we went to the Pitan Arcade. I don't know kung alin yung video na mag-up muna. Pero I wish talaga na magkaroon ako ng energy to like push through in that kind of situation na tipong parang mag-vlog ako for you. I don't know if you're gonna be interested in my life. Hindi ko din alam kung magiging interested kayo sa buhay ko kasi personally feeling ko I'm like a normal person lang na parang tipong anyways, I'm just home lang naman. So let's see. Sana magustuhan niyo yung first ever vlog ko and it's a challenge. I don't know kung ito yung unang mag-up or yung vlog ko na yon, but ayun lang baby. So Tender Love is mama proof. What you see is what you get. Like I said, it's really, really cheap lang po. Kung gusto nyo po malaman kung magkano po, kung saan ko po nabili, check the description na lang din. And ayun guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Lagi kong nasasabi because sanay na ako sa live ko. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below kung may gusto pa kayong diaper saka baby wipes na i-review ko. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. So, thank you for Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video.